Hello guys, my name is Akash Patel and today's topic is wrapper classes. Wrapper classes in Java provides way to wrap or represent the value of primitive data types as an object. By creating an object to the wrapper class, a field is created and in this field we can store primitive data types. It also includes methods to unwrap the objects back into the primitive data types. It is one of the classes provided in the Java package, and all of the primitive wrapper classes in Java are immutable. Primitive data types. Primitive data types acts as the basic building blocks of data type manipulation in Java. But for better understanding about the wrapper classes, let us first understand what are the data types and specifically primitive data types. As Java is a statically typed programming language, which means that any variable cannot be used without its declaration. They must be declared first before they can be used. So for declaring the variables, we use data types. Data type is basically the type of uh, variable which determines the value it may contain and the operation that may be performed on it. Data types in Java are divided into the following two categories. First one is primitive data types and second is non-primitive data types. First, primitive data types. Primitive data types are inbuilt or predefined in Java. The primitive data types include byte, short, int, long, float, double, and char. This is predefined by the language and is named by a reserved keyword. Second is non-primitive data types. The non-primitive data types are created by the programmer and are not predefined in Java except string. The non-primitive data types include string, arrays, and classes, etc. We have discussed about the primitive data types in earlier session. Since the primitive data types cannot be directly used as objects, that's why wrapper classes come into picture. Generic classes work with objects don't support primitives. As a result, wrapper classes are needed as they convert primitive data types into objects, and objects are really important if you will need to modify the arguments passed in a method. Why do you need wrapper classes in Java? Whenever the primitive types are required as an object, wrapper classes can be used. Wrapper class also include methods to unwrap the object and give back the data type. In Java util package, the classes handle only objects, and that's why in this case wrapper classes also helps. Thank you so much.